Hello everyone. I'm here today with my baby. Yes, it came last week and I've been wanting to do the videos to show you guys my new baby. She is the Lola from I don't know how to say that in English, but it's Berenguer. It's made in Spain and yeah, it's made in Spain. It's from JC Toys. And I'm so happy with this doll. Yes, I'm so happy because I've been wanting to get a doll so she can go in the pool with Jailene. I'm trying to get something to open that. Yes, I've been wanting to have a doll like this that can get wet so it can go in the pool with Jailene. So I'm gonna be opening this doll, you guys, because I cannot wait to see her, touch her, change her, um, like her wrap around like a towel. Let me see if I can get her out through here. Yes, you guys. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this baby, and this one is specific because this one has this beautiful smiling face. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh, she's adorable. I am so happy that I got her. Like I said, I got her last week and I was waiting and waiting to open it to do the video. Yes. And show you guys. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Let me see how this is. I think she has, yeah, there's a, like a stretchy band. Yes. Oh, she's so cute. Look at this baby. She is so cute. Now Jailene has a super happy baby to go in the pool. Look at you guys. This is so nice. Look at this. It's like a towel. It's really nice pink. Yeah, right there. That's the pink. Yeah, she has the these booties. They're so cute. She is going to be wearing preemie clothes. So that means I have to buy preemie clothes for this baby. Oh, look at this. It's a baby. She's so cute. She's so happy. Look at this baby. Oh, it's a girl. It's a girl. I'm going to be putting a diaper on her. She's so chunky, you guys. Look at that. Look at that face. Beautiful eyes. Oh, I love that smile. Oh, look at that. I think she takes a full passy. Let me check. So you guys, I'm gonna try the passes that I found. I think I had to fix one for her. Okay, this is a baba, a regular nipple in here, and you can see the whole um, nipple goes inside her. So that's so nice. I like that. Look at that. She can even hold your bottom, mama. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have this passy. This is Kenzie's pacifier, but because it's already fixed, I'm trying. But it goes in and everything fine, but it comes right out. Okay, because she has a wide open mouth. This one is already to fix like that, and it's kind of short. It doesn't grab inside, so it's gonna fall out. This one over here, this one is already full passy, and see, I have to like cut it, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna cut it and it's not gonna fit her anyway. And this one too, I tried this one. This is the one that I ordered online, the owl, and it's kind of big. But anyway, I had to make one for her. But she looks so cute with the passy. Look at that. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna dress her. I'm gonna be putting a diaper size newborn because I had to buy preemie diapers for this little one over here. Yes, I'm gonna have to buy diapers for this preemie baby. Yes, this is a preemie baby. It's a preemie. Oops, it seems like this one is gonna fit good on her. She's the cutest. Oh my goodness. I like her so much. Look at her. She's lovely. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oops, I gotta fix it. It's kind of crooked. I don't know, maybe it's her, I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's the way she is posed, yeah. But look at that, no, darling. Oh my goodness, let me put this one, see. It's Preemie by Carter's. Let's see if this fits her. Let me see. Ew, baby. She has very lightly painted hair. Oh, I love this doll because she's so small and she fits on preemie clothes, I think. Oh my goodness. Let me see my baby girl. Oops, you're going all the way over there. You and that happy face. You and that happy face. Adorable. You're so adorable. Yes, I like happy babies. I like happy babies. Look at this. Ooh, oh yes, she is going to be preemie size clothing. I got some socks in here too. I'm going to be putting on her. So she's pretty much going to be with the Jailin on the pool. Oh, you guys, look at this baby, so cute. She's so cute. Let me put these socks to see if they fit her. Which they do. Look at that. Oh, look at this baby, you baby. Yes. Oh, look at that. You're so cute. You're so cute. And let me see if this headband fits on her. Oh yes, 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 yes. Yes it does. Yes it does. Oh, look at this baby. Oh, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this baby, you guys. Let me see, maybe it's too much light in here. I don't know. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at her. I like her. Look at this baby. Yes. She's the cutest doll. Look at this. From these people, Berenguer Lola. Her name, their actual name is Lola, but I'm gonna have to change the name. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I keep her like that. Lola. Lola, look at that beautiful baby. He's so cute. She fits really good on the preemie. So I'm gonna be buying her some clothing. Preemie size. Yes. Yes, you guys, this is my video. My baby is home. Yes. You guys saw these hands? And chunky, chunky, chunky. Look at this. Oops. Chunky, chunky. Chunky arms. Chunky legs. Oh, look at that smile. Look at that smile. I can see her. Look at that. Wow. You guys, look at her. She can sit. Yes, she can sit down. Yeah, she can be sitting down. And look, it says Berenguer Boutique. This is so cute. This cloth diaper is so adorable, and the booties, they're so cute. And the robe to go to the pool. Yes. Also says Berenguer JC Toys Group Boutique from Spain. Awesome. Yes, you guys. Yo, Baba. Yo, Baba. Yes. She can lay down like this. So adorable. So adorable here. Oh, she can hold the passy. Yay! She can hold the passy. Oh, beautiful, Mama. Beautiful. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Chunky, chunky, chunky.